Good evening. Here we are again. We're looking right at each other. Oh, aren't they pretty? It's dusk again, and on my way home from visiting Jesus in the Blessed Sacrament for a little bit, and down in Cocoa Beach, so wonderful. And we have this soul beauty. He's out here all by himself. And we're trying to convince him not to cross the road now because it's traffic and a couple cars here. Aren't we beautiful though? So nice and close up, huh? All right. Get out in your neighborhood, see who's walking about. All right, bye now.